What if I told you that one simple golden powder, used just once a month, can help protect your plants and keep them growing strong? Many gardeners overlook this natural helper, but it works quietly in the soil and on the leaves. Today I'll show you a very simple way to use turmeric for healthier plants and natural pest control. First, let's talk about prevention. Take a small pinch of turmeric powder and sprinkle it directly around the base of your plant. Then gently mix it into the top layer of soil. Turmeric has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, which help protect roots from harmful microbes and keep the soil environment healthier. Use this method once a month to support steady plant growth. Now, if your plants are already facing problems like mealybugs, aphids, or caterpillars, here's a simple spray. Take 1 spoon of turmeric powder and mix it into 1 liter of water. Turmeric helps weaken many soft-bodied pests and discourages them from feeding on your plants. Next, add 1 small cup of milk. Milk contains natural enzymes and nutrients that help the mixture stick better to the leaves, while also supporting leaf health. Mix everything well and pour the solution into a spray bottle. Spray gently over the leaves, especially under the leaves where pests usually hide. Use this spray once every 7 to 10 days until the pests disappear, and you'll notice cleaner leaves and stronger plants. Try this simple monthly method, and your garden will thank you with healthier growth.